Hi, good morning everyone. So today I am going to explain you one of the algorithms which we have used in our project, which help us to predict whether the customer will be convertible or not convertible. And we tried out with different AutoML techniques, but one of the things which we want to explain you today is a very robust, but might have some complexities along with that, and also some drawbacks with that. So we'll explain what has happened and why we are trying to use that, because of the specific use case which we have is K nearest neighbor. So this is a supervised algorithm and supervised machine learning model which are going to be used, and sometimes people get confused from K nearest neighbor with K means. So K means is a totally clustering technique which is an unsupervised model, but K nearest neighbor, it is a supervised model which is based on distance calculation and the value of K, which is very important, and also nearest neighbors. So from the name itself we can find out that it is based on distance of a new data point which is supposed to be classified in case of a classification, and then basis the K value, try to compare the distance, the closest distance between the nearest data item which we have defined by the K value. So obviously when you say K, we have to define the K, which is an hyperparameter which can be tuned, which can be used using different techniques like grid search, random search CV and all. But for the sake of discussion to you guys, let me take K as a random initial value as 3. An important thing about KNN is a lazy learner, and why it is a lazy learner, I'll explain why. So for example, we have taken K as 3. Now, say for example, we have all these data points, random data points here and there, and suppose now we have a new data point here, and because we have taken K as 3, it will measure the distance of the 3 nearest thing and will take a voting technique to know which one to classify. So as you have seen, I have written here few of the distance measuring techniques. The most common one which everyone knows is the Euclidean distance.